Got the brand new agent mode in ChatGPT here. I just got it released to my account yesterday. You can see I already tried something there that didn't work, which was having it try and use the BNI website. I found that a lot of websites, it can't effectively crawl yet. There's a few different reasons for that probably, but it appears to have some spammy looking IP addresses that it comes from and also some peculiar behavior. So I use this website called car-parts.com, which is a website for finding salvaged car parts. So junkyard parts, basically. Got a bumper on one of my cars that needs to be replaced because someone backed into it. So this is a very old school website built for mechanics. So it's built in basic HTML, PHP, etc. You can see it struggled with it at first here. It opens its own little browser window. And it's got choking on it. I just opened it in another tab to make sure that the URL is correct. And then it somehow went to a completely different website, which doesn't have the dash in it. I noticed that there was a redirect, so car-parts.com redirects to car-part.com. And then it somehow miraculously just went to the right website. All right, so now you see it's got drop-down menus. Punched in my zip code. Correctly, by the way, which it went and found based on the prompt, because I told it the town and state. You can see it successfully selected 2008 from the drop-down menu because it's reading the screen and using the drop-down menus. It's looking through the models. Boom, found the Toyota Prius. I thought that it was actually going to mess this part up because they've got the parts listed a little bit weird on here. So it'll be like bumper rear instead of rear bumper. So first it went and tried to find bumper under B. So it clicks on the drop down and hits B because that's another method of jumping to the letter. Battery cooling fan, battery terminal, and battery tray. Bumper cover rear. Right. USA, Canada, and Mexico. Entered the postal code that it found earlier. Hit search. But now you can see it's got a list of items up here. And it's kind of scraping the table to get me some different options. I have no idea why I clicked on this. But you can see that it scraped the info and it successfully returned this list of items. And I actually did go through and click on these and I made sure that they're legit. And they are. It actually brings up a little image when you click on over on the right. On the table, it brings up a little image showing what it captured. So pull that up and there it is. So this is one of those tasks that is something that I would have my assistant go and do. Now I can have my assistant take this tool and at least take a swing at it. This is kind of a bleeding edge tool. So it's one of those things where it's not perfect yet. This was literally just released this week. But the idea here is that ChatGPT can now operate websites, and eventually I imagine that will expand to things beyond the web. It'll probably be able to operate a normal computer at some point through screen sharing. So that is a pretty bleeding edge use case for AI, but you can kind of see the potential for these sorts of things. It's struggling a little bit right now, but once that technology gets better, it will be an absolute game changer for everyone. So if you're not trying to implement AI in your business right now, I don't care whether you're a plumber or an attorney or an IT guy, you are going to be left behind. And it's there's a huge percentage of it that's hype and a huge percentage of it that are goofy little tools that don't really do anything useful. But there's a massive growing set of extremely useful use cases for AI in your business that frankly, you will not be able to compete with businesses that are utilizing this to its full effectiveness without having at least a base knowledge level of understanding and implementation of AI in your business. If someone else can do something in 1/100th the amount of time that it takes you to do it, you're going to lose. That is the reality. If you want to see more videos like this, let us know. And if you want to get an AI consultation from Hexus Consulting, we will sit down with you, take a look at what you've got going on in your business, and find low-hanging fruit opportunities where we can implement some of this stuff and get you guys up and running more efficiently tomorrow. Until next time.